Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the light bulb in this one and this one. I already got a video on how to change on the temperature one, so I'm going to show you. So all you need to do is pop these off. It's clips, so you want to be easy. And then pop the top off. And the next thing you want to do is pull out the radio, just the bottom portion. You don't need to pull out the whole thing. Lift out the bottom. And then you got access to the bulbs. So for this one right here, what you want to do, lift this up. Hold on. It's like a little tab right here. It's, if you can see. Let me switch hands real quick. What you want to do, lift up, and it pops up. And the T-Force bulb is down there. All you need is a tweezer. I'll try to get a good angle for y'all. So as you can see, just twist and lift up. And I say tweezers because you could grip it and all that. And then when you go and replace it, just pop it back in. And lock it back into place. Then all you do this in reverse. Pop that back in. As so. Once you hear that click, it's in. Now for this one right here, what you want to do, same thing. Lift up. And the T4 bulb is right there. So all you do is the same thing. Put the tweezers in there. Hold on. Trying to watch the camera and do this at the same time. But pretty much you do the same thing. Twist. Lift up. Then when you get your new bulb, just pop it back in. And then all you do is lock it back in place. Then once you put your bulb in, just put this one, just push it back down. You're going to hear a click. Once you hear the click, you know it's in. As you can hear. Oh, also, be careful not to turn this. Well, it's not that easy, but just in case, just make sure you don't turn this. That way it's lined up with this, the knob. See right there? This goes inside it. So, just do that. Make sure it's lined up. And there you go, click. Then all you do in reverse, pull the tab, put everything back in its tabs. And you hear the clicks, so. And then pop the radio, just push the radio back down. I know a lot of y'all don't got this radio. This is an aftermarket, in case you're wondering. But it's pretty much the same setup as the factory. So if you got the stock radio, you just do the same thing. It's no difference. And then just put everything back in place as so. You'll hear all the clicks. Let you know that it's in. I will be doing a video later. I will be swapping these 3 bulbs into LEDs. That way it can match. Check. See how bright that is? And see how light that is? I don't like that. And then if you got the, well, yeah, I don't got to worry about it. The factory ones don't light up as, that's, hold on, I got the key. Let me show y'all real quick. See, it's bright. So I only got these matching too. I don't like that everything's bright and then these are dim. But that's it for this video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful and everything. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.